We've just finished lunch and we're heading out to the farm now. This is proper rural Thailand, about as far from Bangkok as you can get. I will let the scenery do the talking. Cheetah. Hello, Cheetah. Cheetah. Cheetah, hello. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to the YouTube guys. Say hello. Hello. Yes. You're a cool guy. Sugarcane, guys. Sugarcane farm, Thailand. Say hello to the camera.
Hello. ดูดมีปลาญี่ปุ่นจังสิมัน
Well, we're on a Thai farm now, and I think we're going to go a ride in a tractor. There we go. There's the tractor. I think I'm going to be going in with that guy there. There's another tractor there. There's the workers, look. So this tractor here, this bad boy, I think we're going to go in him. Alright guys, do you want to say hello to the YouTubers? Eh? You too shy? Not talking? Hello!
Hello.
Alright, thank you. So this is a harvester machine that harvests the sugar cane. There's a little guy there, little Thai lad. Say hello. Yeah, and these are the trucks that take the sugar cane to the market. Lots of trucks. Lots of trucks. That's a big truck. Lots of lights on that truck. Beep beep. beep, beep. Oh! Wow! That's the little guy pushing the horn there. Well, the horn certainly works anyway. Nice and loud horn. Very good. So this is another field now we're in, a different field. So from what I can gather here, this makes bales. See? Yeah. So what you call it? You call it a baler? I don't know. Hello. Hello, pal. You gonna say hello to YouTube? Yeah. So, yes, I was correct in what I thought. It's a baler. And I'm coming behind the tractor now, and you can see it's made the bales. And it looks like it's automatically put the string on as well. I think, anyway. Yeah, that's hard. That's very hard. See? Yeah, all very interesting. Very interesting. No, but this guy's got string there, you see. So maybe he put string on here, I don't know. I think he's going to put string on it now. Let's have a look around here and see now what he's going to do. This is quite interesting. Yeah, he's going to bale it, you see? He's going to bale it. How you get string underneath though, I don't know. So you tie it there. There must have been string underneath that came out with the before. When it came out with the machine, there must have been string at the bottom. I was going to tie it tight, you see. Yeah. All very interesting. Yes. Now how is he going to get it across here to the other side? How is he going to do that? Is he going to... Oh, there'll be another bit of string, I guess. At the bottom. No, he's gone. He's left it. No idea. I don't know. Huh? Smiley happy people. Smiley happy people. Having a shower. Doggy, what's your name? What's your name? You okay, matey? You're a good guy, ain't ya? You're a good guy, ain't ya? Say hello. Say hello. Hello, pal. You tired, ain't you? You tired, doggy? Very hot in Thailand, isn't it, for you doggies? This dog's 1.5 years old, ain't you? There's a Thai birdie, look, see? Hello, birdie. What type of bird are you? I can't see you. There you are, look. How cool are you? You're a cool kid, ain't you? You're a cool kid. Last day in the countryside. Behind tomorrow. That's it for today. A proper village day and a first look at a Thai farm. I'll catch you in day 10.